You are able to add any kind of pattern fill to a shape that you have on your mat. The first thing that you're going to need to do is click on the shape that you would like to add the pattern fill to. The next thing you can do is you can come over here to the color palette and you can choose the fill options. Go down here for pattern and a new window will appear. Now the patterns folder that you see here is what is preloaded on your CreateSpace software. You can select any image that you see in here and click the preview to see what it looks like when it's applied. If you need to increase the size of the pattern, you can come down here and adjust those manually. And if you'd like to rotate the pattern, you can use the rotate over here and click preview. You are able to upload your own designs from here. So if you happen to find a pattern that you like or you created one yourself, this is where you would go to temporarily load them. Over here, if you find yourself using a pattern so often, you can go ahead and add it here. You select My Patterns, you click the New File, and you'll be prompted to pick an image. You can see here that I've already have one listed in my pattern list. I can select it and click Preview and would apply the floral design that I uploaded. I can click OK to apply it. Now we just added a pattern fill to our shape to either give you a better visualization of a pattern that you want to use, or you can even apply this in a print and cut. That is pattern fill inside of CreateSpace.